We got a slight little unpackaging, unboxing to do. But I'm saving that for my bandits, rugged soldiers, hustlers, pimps, and chiefs. Remember, ladies is pimps too. So, welcome to the Graffiti Jungle. Paolo Pulingue. Benvenuti nella giungla dei graffiti. This is Tangential Thoughts Chat Show, Pensieri Tangenziali, a podcast sui sigari, Cigar Talk Podcast. Sono il tuo capo, Jahara. I'm your chief, Jahara. So right now I want to take this time to say thank you to those who'll be joining the Graffiti Jungle with a YouTube channel membership. Currently there are 4 levels. The entry level is for my bandits. Loyalty badges, emojis, members only live chat, and priority reply to comments. Tier 2, dos. It's for my rugged soldiers. Early access to new videos, member only shorts. Hustlers and pimps is tier 3. Remember, ladies is pimps too. Member shout outs, members only live stream. And then the top tier currently is for the chiefs with member only videos. Now, everything is custom. So right now we got custom badges for new members, and if you stay for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, 48 months, and 60 months, those are all badges, different. We have 4 custom emojis. The first one is the Project Extinction, the next one's the Floodgates, Scarface, and then there's Kung Fu. And we'll be working on some more. So for the first video, for those who joined the channel, I'll be unpackaging that. Bailey has a slight new ball. And I have a new beta fish. So, if you'd like to meet my new fish, see this unpackaging and Bailey's new ball. Bailey! I'm also going to change our color harness. Then take the time to join the Graffiti Jungle with the YouTube channel membership.